guys, today I am gonna make a very loud video that will surprise you ears. And guys, do you know what it is? It's the paper popper video, and guys, I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds. If you want the tutorial that I made recently on the paper popper, click here. But anyway, if you wanna hear the sound, then I'm gonna go to this video. So yeah, this is the video that will make a very loud noise on this paper popper. Now guys, when I was looking at some origami videos, I found this paper popper that has gone super viral. I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong, but it gone super viral. And yeah, when I made this paper popper, I decided to see how it sounds, and it sounded like this. So loud. And yeah, this is what the paper popper sounds like. And yeah, I am going to show you guys how it sounds with two paper poppers. Now guys, if you're wearing headphones, then guys, this is your warning. This is headphones warning. If you're gonna wear headphones, so yeah, this is headphone warning, and you might want to volume down the video a bit, cause I'm making the two paper poppers explode at the same time. That's gonna be very loud, so guys, you may wanna volume down. But anyway, let's get started. Here are my two paper poppers that I made, and it's really simple. You can check out my tutorial here. Yep. So here are my two paper poppers, and yeah, I will see how it sounds like at the same time. Yep. First we gotta set it up like this, and yeah. Now I'm gonna make the paper poppers sound two at the same time. So I will make it sound in 3, 2, 1. That was crazy. So guys, if you replay the video, it's actually super loud. I'm gonna do that one more time. Oh guys, just to let you know guys, do not you see some people paper said public, because guys, if you use it at public, and the guys, it might bother someone. So guys, just don't use it at public. You can only use it when no one's around. Just don't use it in public, because it's like it can annoy someone or something. But anyway guys, I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds with two paper poppers one more time. And guys, this is my headphone warning, and you might wanna volume down your video a bit. So here's it again. I just have to set it up again. Okay. Yep. I may have to stand. Oops, I accidentally folded it. Sorry. Yep. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. That was super loud. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed my today's video, guys. I hope you like this video, guys. I'm sorry if I blasted your ears, but guys, there was also very fun videos. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And guys, see you guys in the video, and see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.